everyone, welcome to this video where we're going to share with you all about Dermalogica's brand new multitasking moisturiser, Prisma Protect SPF30. Now, if you're in your 20s or your 30s and you're looking for a lightweight moisturiser that defends against skin damaging UV rays, free radicals, pollution, and you need long-lasting hydration and you want that natural luminous glow, then this is the moisturiser for you. Now, Prisma Protect SPF30, it gives you 3 key benefits to maintain healthy skin and prevent skin damage. So it defends against environmental aggressors, it delivers long-lasting hydration, and it boosts your skin's natural luminosity. But how does it do all of that? Well, firstly, I think in the quest for youthful looking skin and minimising skin damage, you really need a moisturiser that defends against our hostile environment. So in the Prisma Protect SPF30, it contains best-in-class sunscreens that defend against visible light, and it offers really superior protection from both UVA, the aging ray, and UVB, the burning ray. It also contains Japanese matcha tea, which is actually 100 times more powerful than green tea. So that will really provide us with potent antioxidants, and that will defend against free radicals and pollution particles that ravage our skin. And in fact, it blocks out 85% of pollutants, and they might otherwise enter our skin and cause symptoms such as dehydration, sensitivity, pigmentation. Now, secondly, keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day, that poses us a real challenge because there's so much within our environment that saps the moisture from our skin. So Prisma Protect SPF30 contains advanced moisture magnets, and we derive these from plants. It's 100% natural, and this ingredient binds water to the skin, literally like a magnet. So this provides like a reservoir of moisture, and that will help keep the skin hydrated and smooth all day long. And then finally, we have some really exciting new technology, and this is designed to boost your skin's natural luminosity. Now, we're using light-activated drone technology, and that allows us to target specific cells in the skin with actives that boost your skin's natural luminosity and inner glow. Now, these are cosmetic drones, and in Prisma Protect SPF30, they're programmed to deliver their contents to your collagen-producing cells, the fibroblasts, where they release a light-activated chlorella, which is an algae extract. So once you've applied your Prisma Protect SPF30 and you're out and about in the visible light, this ingredient gets to work deep in your skin, really boosting its radiance. Now, it's super easy to use. You simply clean your skin, ideally with the Dermalogica Double Cleanse, making sure that all of your makeup, dirt and pollutants are off the skin. You can spritz with your favourite toner, so that will layer hydration, and then you would apply a generous amount of your Prisma Protect SPF30. Now, it feels silky and light, and it dries down and absorbs really quickly. So it gives you a really nice sheer coverage. So this makes it suitable for all skin conditions. And I love the smell, it reminds me of holidays. Now, you can of course use your favourite Dermalogica serum or oil underneath your Prisma Protect to give your skin even more defence. So if you need a multitasking moisturiser to fit in with your busy life, Prisma Protect SPF30 is going to be perfect for you. It's available now, so future-proof your skin health and get your light activated skin defence on.